This is Sentiment Strips 2 stamp set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 stamp set with 27 individual stamps. This set is a follow-up to our extremely popular Sentiment Strips stamp set. The sentiments included cover a wide range of occasions, and their size is just perfect for stamping onto cardstock strips, along borders, or curved to match design features on your projects. The organic style of these sentiments provides countless options for crafters who want to achieve a simple and clean look on their cards. Let your imagination run wild with this stamp set. This is a high-quality photopolymer stamp manufactured in the USA. To find out more about the Sentiment Strips 2 stamp set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.